let's introduce two new concepts: parenting objects and layers. For now, we have only two game objects, player and ground. They have transform component with position, rotation and scaling. Now I want to make child object. Right click on an object that I want to be parent object, create empty. I will make name of this object ground check because I want to use this object to check if player is touching the ground. So what is important here? Transform component of this child object shows only local position, rotation and scaling. Those values that you can see changing on the right are only comparing to the parent object. Now if I want to move parent object, child object will stay at the exact same position as before comparing to the parent object. Now let's move this new object. I want to place it exactly at the bottom of the feet, because that is the point when our character is touching the ground. So you can see now how child object is always staying at the same place. Let's leave him here for now. One more new thing is layers. In upper right corner of inspector, you can see the fill layer, and the default layer of every object is exactly this one, default. In simple terms, layers are a way to group our objects. Why do we need them? In this case, I want that our character distinguish which object belongs to ground and which doesn't. So go to layer field and click add layer. There are already few predefined layers. Choose empty field and add new layer. Now select object and from layer field choose new layer that we just created. Now I will prepare few more objects. I will make two rectangles that will represent a kind of a hill. As we did it before, scale, move, rigid body, box collider. Freeze position and rotation. Duplicate this object by pressing Ctrl and D at the same time. I will make one difference between these two hills so that we can fully understand layers. The hill on the right will belong to layer ground and the hill on the left will not. So in next video we will see how player acts on two different hills. For now it's still all the same, double jump is still possible. In next lesson we will code isGrounded function and forbid double jump.